In this question, we are going to solve the quadratic equation x squared plus 2x minus 3. And this is question number 2 on assignment number 2. The process to start is the same as the first section of the classwork. Draw my box and my x. And I need to find the factors that go inside here. So I know that's going to be something that multiplies to negative 3 and adds to positive 2. So I'm going to have 3x and 1x. I know one of them has to be negative because there's a negative here. But I know that the larger term will be positive because this one is positive. So just to check, 3x times negative 1x is negative 3x. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So I can put my terms in my box. And then I am going to go ahead and factor here. So I get x, negative 1, x, negative 3. Now, my original equation is a little bit different because it has the 0 in front. So I'm going to include that 0 here. And the directions tell me that I want to solve. That means I need a value for x. And whenever I see this 0, that's telling me I'm using the zero product property. I'm going to separate these factors because I want to find what the value of x is. And I can write it like x minus 3 equals 0 and x minus 1 equals 0. And then my next step is just to solve for the letter x. I have minus 3, so I'm going to add 3 to both sides. X equals 3. I have minus 1, so I'm going to add 1 to both sides. X equals 1. So whenever I see the word solve, I know I need my values of x, whatever the values of x in this equation could be. So I have x equals 3 and x equals 1 as my final answer.